सिलिकॉनी रबर बैंड्स होती है, क्लचेस होती हैं. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whosoever is new to my channel, hi, my name is Sunandini and hope you all got to know about that is going to be inside the today's video. So yes, you are right, it's about the Aqualens and I'm giving you the honest review regarding the Aqualens. So yes, definitely I recently purchased this Aqualens. So as of now I didn't find it useful for myself because there is no recent function in my family so that I will apply these lenses. So I thought to create a review video for you guys. So yes, this video is going to be helpful if you're a beginner for the lenses and you don't know how to apply the lens and how to remove the lens. So please be with me in this video till end and watch this video till end to know how to apply and remove the lenses. It will be going to be helpful for you guys. So yes, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be get notified.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Since 2-3 months it's just like a useless form. We'll see how it will be turned out. So basically it's zero power lens and in a shade dusky brown. So basically I love my mom's eyes because she has a brown eyes but I don't have brown eyes, so that's the reason I'm experimenting all the time with brown shade. So at this time I ordered this dusky brown shade. So let me show you how it looks like. This is something like this. This is quite dark in shade. I don't know how it will look on my eyes, but still I want to give an experiment again on brown shade, so that's why I ordered this shade. Now by this lenses I got one more thing. This is multi-purpose solution, so they give this free of cost. And if I talk about the cost of this lenses, so it's $899, but I'm definitely sure that I didn't buy this for $899. It must be on offer at that time, so I guess I bought this in between 300 to 400 rupees because these are the monthly lens, so I can use this for a month. It will be expired after the month. Also they didn't give me any lens case, so I'm using mine. So let me put the lenses on this. I have already expired lens on this. I don't know it's expired or what. This is for 6 months, so yes, this is in a shade hazel, you can see. So let me put some solution first of all. because इनकी भी जान important है. So yes, so we'll start applying lens. Come with the solution. So I'm using my ring finger. So let me tell you how to check your form by putting a lens over your finger. So basically if the lens is in a U shape, so definitely it's a correct side to apply, and if the lens creating a V shape, so definitely it's not the correct sides to apply. And also if your lens is keep falling, it's not adjusting in your pupil, so definitely it's again the wrong side. And yes, and please try to wash your hand, because if is there any little particle left over your lens, so it will definitely harmful for your eyes. There is one more hack that you have to put 2-3 drops over your lens if you feel dryness and itchiness and burners after applying the lens, so it will be really helpful. Touch your upper section and the downward section, and your hand look the opposite side.
A few moments later.
I don't have a good experience with lens because इनको itchy करता है हर वक्त. So let's see. Try to roll your eyes towards your lens just to adjust them. Don't get panic, it's very common to get water from your eyes while you are applying the lenses. See, जैसे मेरे साथ अभी स्टार्टिंग हो रहा था, and then when I just flip the lens, so easily लग गया. look on that side, this side will lens है, so it will easy to adjust. So this is the second lens. Using my index finger and stretch your eyes. Try to look at the opposite side. Always make sure that your hand is clean, because dirty lenses are by far the most common reason your eyes are watery after inserting your contact lenses.
2,000 years later.
This one is easier than this. It's hazel kind of a color. Yes, I love it. If you will apply the lens after the makeup, so you can see जो मेरा कंडीशन हुआ था उस बेसिस पे आपका सारा मेकअप ख़राब हो जाएगा. तो ट्राई टू अप्लाई द लेंस बिफोर द मेकअप, सो दैट आपका जो मेकअप है विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम अच्छे से हो जाए. सो यस, this is how it's look, and I think I love the color. This is the dusky brown shade. It about this video, so this is the review, and I feel little bit itchiness on this one because I think I have to readjust this. फिर भी टच किया था तो that's the reason कुछ चला गया होगा, but yes थोड़ा बहुत itchiness. So yes, let me tell you how to remove the lens. So basically you have to stretch the eye once again and stretch it, and stretch it toward opposite side once again like this, not with your nail. Firstly remove from the paper, and secondly try to pick with your finger. Don't try to use your nail. If you have a big nail, so it will be like a little bit tricky for you. Somewhere it will harm to your eyes, so you have to be very careful while you're using your nails. For the same trick, stretch your eyes. This is how I remove, and this is so relaxing as of now. So yes, that's it about this video. Hope you love this video, and if you like this video, please share this video with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon just to get the notified, guys. And yes, hope we will meet on our next video soon. So yeah, that's it. If you love this video, please give a great thumbs up. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy. Bye bye.